There is a business that has made Venice popular worldwide, the business of the glass artworks. 1,000 years ago, the Venetians learned this art from the Asians, and nowadays the island of Murano is equivalent and a guarantee of a high-quality glass product. Experienced glass masters and assistants work in this workshop, while they explain how they can create such beautiful artworks that are popular worldwide. And if you think that I'm cutting the boring stuff in the editing of this video to show you only the main moments, well, wrong. This glassmaster is really a prodigy of great ability and speed. In about 15-20 minutes he has made about 8-10 pieces. Do you want to prove? Okay, check it out. So, in 1 minute and 26 seconds he made a glass horse. And not just one. Yeah, we all bit. Actually, the fame of Murano rose because the old town of Venice needed to be protected, since the furnaces of the glass factories often caused huge fires, and many buildings were made of wood. Besides, the ancient Republic of Venice gathered the factories in Murano to better preserve and control a business that made its fortune. The glassmasters were guarded, they could not expatriate and take with them the secrets of glassmaking. At the same time, they benefited of many perks. For instance, they were allowed to marry a girl of the high society, and that's why the class of glassmasters became the most coveted. In the early 1500s, 3,000 people in 7,000 residents worked in a glass factory. Walking down the streets of Murano, you can find a lot of glass workshops, where you can see how they create glass artworks. And if you want to visit the glass factory I went to, you find the link in the description of the video.